Hey guys, today we're going to be doing July carbon monoxide alarm test. So these are the kinds we have. It's a First Alert CO606 carbon monoxide alarm by First Alert. And it's installed. This is the manufacture date. I don't know what the date is, but it does say 2019 March 4th. So let's get into testing. These are the kinds we have. I'm going to go plug this in and test it. So let's go do that right now. Give it a second to get power. That one works. That was 1 out of 2. The second one's upstairs, so it's further away. Okay, last one. I covered up the piezo on that one, so it's not that loud. They both work as expected. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like them, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Any comments or questions, leave those down in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye, folks. Thank you for watching.